Here we have a Ford Ranger 2007 4.0, cylinder 4 misfire detected. So let's check out cylinder 4, see what we can do.
What's up, guys? So I just finished diagnosing the problem. So as you guys can see, cylinder number 1 is over here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the computer it was marking me that cylinder number 4, it was misfiring. I checked the cable and check this out. Check this out, guys, and I saw this. The wire of cylinder number 4 is misfiring because of that.
So what do you got to do now? Tell them.
So what I have to do is pretty much replace all these wires.
The reason why we're replacing all the cables is because you just can't replace one. Certain cars come with ignition coils, but in this case, they come with cables. The cables directly connect to the spark plugs. So in your case, we have to replace all these cables. After you swap out the cables, make sure you go back with your scanner and you delete the codes and you run the car once again and check it out.